So 43 is about John and Mary throw a die until one of them get number 1 or 6. So each of them, for each round, they win the game is 1 over 3. That means 2 over 6. And then John throw the die first. We have to find the probability that John gets 6. We are not asking the probability that John win the game, but we are asking win at the same time he gets 6 but not just 1. So to understand situation, you have to consider the first trial, the second trial, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. We should analyze in this way. So first John fall first. So there is some case John get 1, or John get 6, or John fail. At the first case, it will stop because John already get 1, and then they say until one of them get 1 or 6, right? So in this case, the game will stop. If John gets 6, the game will stop also. But if John fail, then the game will not finish. Then Mary will start throwing. Doesn't mean that John do not have chance to get 6. John still have chance to get 6 here. You just imagine if you are John, you really want to get 6, then you will play that you use your any method to disturb her or something like that, and let Mary fail in the coming trial, right? So the story didn't finish. Don't just simply think that the answer is 1 over 6. It's definitely a trap. So if you consider how the story continue, then this is too complicated. We don't need 2 cases because concerning about Mary, we just need to know 2 cases. First, Mary success. That means get 1 or 6. The second case, Mary fail. If Mary already success, then we will stop it. Stop the game. But if Mary fail, that means John still have another chance. John, again, may get 1, may get 6, maybe fail. So stop here, stop here. Similar thing continue. Mary success in the first 4th trial, or Mary fail in the 4th time. John still get 1, John gets 6, or John fail again. So this story never ends. You may consider that it's a chance that the game never finish, even though the chance is really small. So now we are going to analyze which path we want to find. We want to find the path that John gets 6. So this one we don't consider. We are considering this path. And we are considering this path. And also this path. All other paths are not our target. We are just concerning John gets 6. And we have infinitely many cases to do so. So for each section, this is 1 over 6, this is 1 over 6, this is 1 over 6. So the chance that John gets 6 directly in the first trial is 1 over 6. But it's not only this. He still have the chance to follow this path. John fail first, Mary fail, and then John gets 6 finally. He still have this chance, right? So this is the chance that Mary win the prize is 2 over 6. That means this is 4 over 6 here. 1 over 6, 1 over 6, 4 over 6. Make a mistake here. So this is 2 over 6, this is 4 over 6. So now if we want to get the answer, we are basically finding the probability that John get 6 in first time, and John get 6 in third time. And John get 6 in fifth time. And not only these 3 cases, but we have inverted many cases. So if we talk about John gets 6 in the first time, that means the first time 1/6. However, if we are talking about John get 6 in the third time, then you may think first this part 4/6. After that, Mary need to get fail, so 4/6 again. Finally, John's success is 1/6. So we write down the path. John fail first, and then Mary fail, and then finally John gets 6, 1/6 here. Similar reason, if we follow the path that John gets 6 in the fifth times, we follow this path 4/6, 4/6, 4/6, 4/6, and then finally John get it. So this is 4/6 first time, second time Mary, third time John, fourth time Mary fail, and then finally in the fifth time John success. So it is this kind of pattern. Some of you already know is geometric sequence 16/36, or simply write 4/9, 1/6. So this one is 4/9 repeat it. So this is a geometric sequence, a GS, where A is equal 1/6, the ratio is 4/9. So to get the sum to infinity, if you still remember the formula is A/1 minus R. So it's equal to 1/6 and then divided by 1 minus 4/9. You may use calculator, or you just multiply both sides by 9 and 6, 18. So we got 3, and then this is 18 minus 8. So we got 3/10. The answer is C. So just make sure you have good understanding in the tree diagram here. This kind of analysis or logic is quite important in solving some advanced probability.